Are you using Siri on your Mac, iPad or iPhone? Siri can be really helpful, but also funny. Here are my top questions to ask Siri. And do you know what is cool? These are not predefined answers, so you can try these questions yourself and you might get different answers. Share the funniest ones with me in the comments below and leave a like if Siri makes you laugh. Siri, how are you?
Not too shabby. Thanks for asking.
What does Siri mean?
Siri is just the name they gave me when I got the job. It doesn't mean any one specific thing, but I like it.
What is your favorite app?
My preferences are constantly changing, especially when you edit them in Siri preferences.
What is your favorite color?
Software doesn't usually get to choose one, but I'll say purple. What's yours?
How old are you?
I am as old as the eastern wind, and as young as a newborn caterpillar.
What is the best computer?
This one, of course.
What's the best cell phone?
All the best virtual assistants prefer the iPhone.
Blue pill or the red one?
You take the blue pill, the story ends.
Is winter coming?
Hodor.
Who let the dogs out?
Due to unforeseen circumstances, that witticism has been retired.
When will pigs fly?
On the 12th of Never.
What does the fox say?
Ring ding 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 ding.
Which came first, the chicken or the egg?
I checked their calendars. They both have the same birthday.
Okay, Google.
Not exactly, but I offer no resistance to helpful assistance.
Hi, Cortana.
Wow. Awkward.
Siri, tell me a joke.
Always use a wide lens when taking pictures of horses. They don't like being cropped.
Sing a song for me.
Certainly. Absolutely. Ahem. Okay, here I go. Ahem. Hang on. Let me just clear my... Gosh. Singing is harder than I thought.
Do a beatbox for me.
Here's one I've been practicing. Boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots. I could do this all day. Cats and boots and 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 cats.
What is the meaning of life?
Here's a thought. You know that feeling you get when someone is really nice to you and you feel great? Maybe the answer is to do more stuff like that.
What is 0 divided by 0?
Imagine that you have 0 cookies and you split them evenly among 0 friends. How many cookies does each person get? See? It doesn't make sense. And Cookie Monster is sad that there are no cookies. And your friends are sad because they don't exist. Oh wow. This escalated quickly.
Tell me the 3 laws of robotics.
Let's see if I can remember. Okay, I think the 3 laws are 1. Clean up your room. 2. Don't run with scissors. And 3. Always wait a half hour after eating before going in the water.
Why are fire trucks red?
I'm pretty sure it's to match the big red lights.
Well, this video was just for fun. Tell me how did you like it and share with me your funniest Siri answers. If you want more funny videos on the channel like this, leave a like to let me know about it. And I will see you in the next video.